Have you made yourself a DALGONA coffee yet? If you haven't, stay tuned. Hi goddesses, welcome back to my channel. This is Uptown Goddess. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you click that red subscribe button right there and smash that notification bell button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have been here also, I'd like to thank you for being here, and I hope that you frequent my channel. So stay tuned for something exciting and a new thing to do with me. Since it's COVID-19 and most of us are actually spending a lot of time at home, working from home, spending time with the family, we get to have that chance to think about what we could really do, think about what we could experiment as a new thing to actually learn from life. So for people like me who does not really enjoy kitchen or has not really cooked a dish for myself or for the family, this is the time that I thought would actually make me experiment in the kitchen. So I've seen myself spending a lot of time in the kitchen than I have ever done in my entire life. And because lately I've been missing the cup of coffee that I have in the office normally, so I make it for myself here at home. So I thought about sharing with you my recipe for the DALGONA coffee, because everyone talks about it on social media, on Facebook. Everyone posts about it every morning of my life for the past month. So I was thinking, I was so curious about what's DALGONA coffee. So DALGONA coffee, based in Google, is actually a coffee that originated in South Korea. Some of the Google researchers tells us that India has their own version as well. So DALGONA, based on Korean recipe, is a rich, thick cream that you put on top of your hot or cold drinks, which is a mixture of black coffee mixed with sugar and hot water. So get ready with your ingredients, and I'm going to tell you right now. So making your DALGONA topping is on a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1 tablespoon thick cream, 1 tablespoon MILO. But if it comes out really sweet for you, like for me, I prefer a half tablespoon white sugar and infuse it with a black coffee. I like the infusion of a black coffee with the MILO. Okay, so you only have to mix all the prepared ingredients I told you about, lay it on a table, and then all of them have to only be mixed. So I'm gonna put first on a bowl my half tablespoon sugar, because remember I told you I prefer half tablespoon because it's really sweet for me when it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So for sugar I put only half tablespoon. So here you go. And then I put my MILO, which I've prepared actually with 2 tablespoons. I like it that way. 2 tablespoons. For the thick cream, because I'm doing it for myself, I prefer that I pour it into the bowl from here, from the pack, instead of actually measuring it with a tablespoon. It becomes really messy. You can actually control what you pour in, so don't worry about that. Okay, since I have all the ingredients all together in a bowl, now the next thing to do is to get your mixer and mix it for about 10 to 15 minutes, only to a perfect time when you feel like your cream is already fuller, thicker, to be on top of your coffee or your milk. Keep on checking if you think you're happier with the texture. When you feel like your DALGONA already becomes fuller and thicker. For me, I like infusing black coffee. Of course, not as much, not as 1 ratio as well. So I dissolve it first on a bit of just a little of water, because I don't want the texture of coffee making circles in between my thick, full cream. It comes out really creamy now, and I'm happy with the turnout now, so I think I'm ready with my drink. I'm ready with my cream, so I'll set it aside as I made my own. I prefer it today hot actually, but because I'm preparing it for you to see, so I'm putting my evaporated milk in here. So I'm just gonna pour in, I think this much, a quarter of a glass. Because it's really thick, I'm gonna have to add some more water into it. I'm not gonna need ice cubes because I prefer it hot today. So water right there. Yes. I prefer my milk to be 1/3 of the glass. So I'm just gonna heat this up just to prepare my hot drinks for me. It's ready. So now I'm gonna pour in my Milo infused with black coffee dalgona cream topping. If you want your glass overflowing with your cream, not a problem. I think my measurement was just enough for my cream topping. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are already excited to make your own dalgona coffee for your friends, for your family, or for yourself at home every morning, any time of the day when you want it. And I'm sure that right now, because you've seen how it's made, and it's very, very simple, I know that you're gonna prepare it for your family. And if you do, please comment right down there on the description box and tell me, let me know what you think about it. So until then, thank you so much for being here. See you in my next vlog. Bye!
Dalgona with tapioca smoke.